What is up, guys? My name is EPG9, and today we are playing the final episode of Cat Mario. Let's go! Let's bring it home strong. We're bringing this series home strong. This is the final episode. This you can get five fantastic likes. That'd be absolutely fantastic. And if you guys want to pick the next series, I'm really going with Forge of Empires right now. But if there's another series you guys want, just drop it in the comments below. And if you want Forge of Empires, drop that in the comments below. So, let's get right into it. Alright. Just gonna jump here. Boom, footprint to the face. Whoa, okay, so like... Oh, are they all coming down? Crap. Whoa. Oops. Alright, come on. Let's bring this series home strong. Alright. So, where are we going here? Thinking... No, maybe I shouldn't wait. If I go like... Yeah, okay. Whoa, it's just like it made a weird glitch. I didn't edit there, by the way. There was no edit when it went like pop. It was really weird. Okay, boom. Boom. Okay, this is actually not that hard. Woo. Ah! So close. Okay. Focusing in. And we're gonna wait for the bomb. Bam. 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 Okay, make the jump over. Come on. Alright. Alright, let's go. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. We're doing this. We're doing this like beasts. Come on, you bros. You bros just gotta chant for me. Whoa! You're not chanting hard enough! Gosh. Come on. Come on, chant for me. Ian! 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 Good job, guys. You bros are awesome. Whoa! Right in the eye. It's like, oh, my feet smell so bad. Boom. 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 The pain is real here on these guys. I'll put my feet in your face. Your feet get to go on my face now. Boom! Oh, does it stink? Probably does. Okay, up. No. Ow. Ah! We were so close! Oops. Alright. We're going for it this time. We're going strong! We are going strong. Whoa. It was not very strong, I have to say. Wait, let's go. Come on, let's go! Let's go! Smell my feet! You just smell my feet right now. I haven't taken a shower in a month. You like the smell of that? I don't either. So, deal with it. And let me live. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Boom. The beasts! Wait, I swear there were not that many gaps last time, were there? Really? Didn't even seem like that. Alright, come on. 10 lives, let's go. We got 10. Or no, never mind. We have unlimited lives. I was thinking, never mind. I'm thinking of Mario! Not Mario, you're Cat Mario with smelly feet. Smell my feet. Smell it. Smell my feet. Bam bam bam. Bam 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 bam. And if you guys do want more Cat Mario, the only thing I can... Oh, crap. If I can touch those bricks, but not those bricks. Oh, it's Cat Mario, guys. If you guys want more Cat Mario, the only thing I can really think of doing is redoing a part 7, I think it is. Because part 7, I didn't really catch actually on screen. But, I would delete the other video, and, I will most likely do that, but I really don't know. So, it's up to you, bros. Do you guys want me to, redo that part 7 so you guys can really... Okay. Well, do you guys want me to redo part 7? Or do you guys just ready for Forge of Empires and could care less? Because personally, it's up to you, bros. Alright? Whatever you guys say, I am totally chill with. Alright. Smell my feet. Smell them. Yeah, you like that smell? You like it? Come on, make the jump. Alright, whoa! Whoa! Okay. You guys ready? Whoa! I'm going for it. Go for it! Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, guys. He's right there. He's walking. He's walking. He's walking. He's walking. Guys! Guys! Guys, we just beat Cat Mario! The series is ended! We beat Cat Mario! Let's go! That was a really big glitch right there. Alright guys, if you like this video, remember to like it. If we get 5 likes, that would be fantastic. I think I already said that, but you know, I'm just telling you. It only takes a second. Just go right down there. Just click that like button. 5 likes, that's all we need. 5 people just need to like it. Alright? That would be fantastic. If you like this video, share it. And just get it out there. So, thank you guys very, very, very much for watching, and I will check you guys out in the next series. Well, maybe, yeah, probably. Alright, I'll see you guys next time. Peace out. See you, bros. Laters. Bye-bye.